Welcome to the tutorial about the USDA soil classification system. It's by far one of the easiest methods in order to classify soil. What you're seeing here right now is the USDA soil classification chart. This side, we have the percent clay, this side the percent silt, and percent sand underneath. Paano ba natin ito basahin? Since this is a triangle and we have three categories to factor in, gagawin lang natin is to plot it dito sa triangle na ito. And since naka-label naman din ang mga values niya sa sides, all we need to do is to map it out. And we need to figure out the exact location or the exact property of the soil by just plotting. Okay? Since naka-distribute naman siya by category, which is clay, sandy clay loam, silty clay loam, silt, silty loam, loam, sandy loam, loamy sand, sand, and sandy clay loam. So, kailangan na natin ma-pinpoint yung exact property or category ng soil na ito-test natin. Okay? So, for this example, we have our soil and the mass of the parts, which is sand, silt, and clay. Ito yung pinaka-importanting parts. Ito yung three most important parts sa soil mixture. So in this part, we have the sand, which is in 15%. Silt is 37%. Clay, which is 48%. So dapat ang total nito should always be 100%. Now to graph this or to plot this, first, ang gagawin natin is sisimula tayo kay clay. Since ang clay, horizontal lang yan most of the time. Or all the time, horizontal lang. So, since nasa 48 siya, hanapin lang natin dito na side ang 48. So, close to 50. Maglagay ko dyan ng line. Okay, next is the silt, which is in 37%. Hanapin mo si silt dito. Anong value ni silt? Our silt is 37%. So, plot here. Then, ang sand, which is in 15%. Hanapin dito sa ilalim. Plot. Then, since nakuha na natin yung tatlo, ma-identify na natin yung category ng soil na ating tinest. Okay? So, since nasa region siya ng clay, ang ating center point or kung saan nag-intersect lahat ng ating points, the category therefore is clay. Ganyan lang kadali. Plot mo lang siya, identify kung saan na region siya naka-converge, and yun. Ganun lang. Easy as pie. Okay, next. What if ang soil composition natin is may kahalong gravel? Paano yan? So, sa pag-solve sa USDA soil classification, normally, ang ating na-prioritize lang is ang sand, ang silt, and clay. But, merong instances na may nahahalong gravel. So, what do we do? First off, ang gagawin natin is to sum up ang total mass percentage ng lahat ng parts. Dapat 100%. Okay? And after that, ang gagawin natin, since ang kailangan lang natin i-compute is ang sand, silt, and clay, gagawa tayo ng modified percentage in which hindi kasali ang gravel. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to subtract 100% and ang percentage ng gravel which is 12%. So, itong 88% na ito ang gagawin nating baseline in order to identify the actual percentage or the modified percentage of the sand, the silt, and the clay. So, paano natin makukuha yan? Ang gagawin lang natin is to use this formula. To get the modified percentage of each part, what we need to do is to take the old percentage, divide it by the modified total percentage, then multiply it by 100%. Ganun lang kadali. So for example, kay sand. Paano natin nakuha ang kay sand? So, 15 divided by 88 multiplied to 100 or 100, giving us 17.045. And sa silt, 38 divided by 88 times 100, giving us 43.18. Then si clay, 35 divided by 88 times 100, which is 39.773. So kung ito-total natin ito sila, ang total niya should be 100. There we go, 100%. So, since nakuha na natin yung modified percentage ng each part, pwede na natin siyang i-plot sa ating soil triangle. Okay? So, for sand, okay, ang sand natin is 17. So, malapit kay 20. Next is si silt. Silt is 43, which is right here. Now for clay, we have 39.773, almost 40. So, around here. So, saan siya nag-converge? Nag-converge ang ating soil or ang ating calculations kay silty clay loam. So, ang ating soil number 2 is silty clay loam. Ganun lang mag-solve ng classification ng soil kung may gravel. Ganun lang kadali. Okay? So, I hope you've learned something from me, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.